In front of me is Oppo A3 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on gear icon at the top of it. Then select Theme section and tap on any of those to apply a perfect one for you. Then manage key borders thanks to this switcher and hit apply at the bottom right corner. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you want to customize it instead, go back to the same settings. Select theme and this time use this plus icon under my themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move and select next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage key borders and select apply. So when I go back the second time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!